And right at the top, we have some breaking news coming in from the northeastern state of Manipur. The Supreme Court judges panel is in Manipur. The delegation has in fact visited relief camps, and the delegation has met with women and children who are in those relief camps. They've also distributed relief material in the camps. Justice Gavai has in fact said, have faith in the Constitution, happy to launch legal camps in Manipur. One day, peace will return to Manipur. This is the action that's been taken just weeks after a president's rule was imposed in the northeastern state, which has been witnessing sporadic instances of violence over the last few months. But ethnic clashes had originally begun in May of 2023. We're crossing over to my colleague Priyank to bring us more on this. Priyank, we're learning that the judge delegation has been able to visit relief camps. Bring us more details about what exactly is taking place there.
The sixth panel of the judges, which is visiting the state of Manipur, landed at Imphal around 8:35 at 2:40, and after which they flew to Judicial, which is a hilly area where mostly the cookie committee stays. According to the information which we are receiving, that around 10:30 they reached Judicial, and after that they have visited a relief camp which is in Vishnupur of Moirang district. Inside the Morang College. During this particular time period, they have been talking to all those people who have been staying inside these refugee camps. Over the period of next few hours, they will be visiting Kaibul National Park, where relief camps have been situated, and also they are expecting to meet other people around 4:30 in the evening. What we can certainly say that this is very important, because the judiciary will also be apprised about the fact that how people have been staying there, because there have been contradictory reports coming out from members of both the committees. That's why it was important for the judges to go personally and visit the locations.
Priyank, do remain with us. Once that report is submitted and all of the information is collated, what exactly are we expecting to take place as far as this delegation is concerned? What is the reason that they've gone there? To, of course, overall see what the situation is like on the ground, but what are the other realities that could take place now that the delegation rather, is visiting Manipur?
Over the period of last 2.5 years, there have been series and bunch of petitions which has been moved regarding Manipur. The judiciary has been listening to all those factors which have been presented before them, and every side has their own story to be told before the court of law. But the fact of the matter is that if the judges themselves, who have been, listening to these cases and who have been heading these, cases where all the petitions have been moved and various arguments have happened, if they themselves see the ground reality, then certainly you can feel that there could be different kind of impact which can happen in these judicial hearings. So this will be very significant development, I would say, because the judges themselves will have seen the location. They know what is happening on the ground. So, having a better sense about the law and order, it's always better to see the situation from the ground itself. Just a matter in which other countries' federal system have been working, where the judiciary also helps the prosecution authorities so that the logical conclusion can be given to this kind of situation. Similar kind of situation is also expected to happen in the state, where the judges themselves have been visiting Manipur, and they will be having a better sense regarding the situation on the ground.
All right, Priyank, thank you so much for joining us and getting us those crucial details. We'll continue to track the developments of what's taking place in Manipur itself, but we're quickly shifting focus now. There's more breaking news that's coming in at this point. This is in connection